my channel. I'm gonna wet myself. I'm so excited. Never mind about them. Do you want Rizzo in your life? Are the real cheese. It's my birthday. Thank you so much for stopping by. I wanted to do this because it's my birthday, well, first of all, and if you're thinking about what are the best things you can do on your birthday for a real feel-good glow up experience, I've planned and put together this day for myself, and I thought, you know what, maybe you can get something too. I signed up to puppy therapy on my birthday, and I am so excited to just have puppies cuddle me and love me. Then I actually found a really good spa package for twos for me and my other half in Mayfair, and I got it on the Virgin website, Virgin Experience. We both have treatments and then access to the spa facilities for an hour. I compared this for days and I thought this was the best one because the facilities looked amazing, the location in Mayfair is lovely. I'm going to take you with me there as well, and then I'm going to go to lunch at the Ned, which I adore, and it used to be the HSBC big bank building, so it has this amazing architecture that you just go in and feel just enveloped by its beauty. So yeah, I'm gonna shut up now and I'm gonna take us to puppy therapy. So yeah. I'm gonna wet myself. I'm so excited. Never mind about them. So let me turn you around and let me show you what they look like.
This is Patsy.
Patsy.
Patsy, yeah.
This one is
Thank you. Oh my god, I'm gonna just start crying. So this is James. Hey. And James is so knowledgeable and works for Paws In Work. Is it Paws at Work or Paws
In Work?
In Work. Okay, we gotta get that right. And this is Rizzo. Is that right?
Rizzo,
I got the name
like
right.
from Greece.
Excellent. And
She's
just...
the only one still looking for a forever home. I know.
Oh,
Poor Rizzo.
poor Rizzo.
She's the runt of the list and the only girl left. So
adorable.
she's really feisty.
Do you want Rizzo in your life? I think you do. She's a feisty girl and she's been the run. We all know what it's like to be the underdog, right? And she is the literal underdog. And you're so focused. This is why it's such good therapy, because like you have to focus all your attention on the puppy.
Else.
Yeah. No, exactly. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. So flexible. You want to do a strut? You do a strut! Oh yes! Look at the wiggle! I love it. Oh!
You have a whole cushion that you could sit
Yeah.
Oh, look at the eyes. It's giving me like side eyes. Like, what are you doing? What is this?
Is they've actually evolved with special muscles in their face to be more expressive.
Oh my god.
And it's helped them evolutionarily survive, especially with people, because if people see their face in a certain way, they're more likely to like it. That one's Duty. Duty is the most inquisitive of our pups.
Oh, no wonder they're tired.
To be held and people watch, especially. Like, okay, I'll leave.
Done now, the puppies have gone back. Oh, there's still a puppy there! Thank you, Paws In Work. It has been absolutely magical. I'm gonna go off and... So now we're here in one of my favourite places in London, which is the Ned. And we're having lunch, and I almost forgot to film coming in. I was so excited and hungry to get food. I will show you what I've got. I've got the chicken. It was actually a chicken burger, but I've asked for it naked. Without the bun, and then we've got sweet potato fries with cheese. Oh, I'm being shown the menu. I'll show you the menu as well. And Fabian has the smoked salmon bagel. It's called the Lower East Side. It has smoked salmon, cream cheese, and tomato. Yeah, and mine is buttermilk fried chicken with a red slaw and mayo. And And then we've got a side salad as well. And I don't know if you've been to the Ned, but it used to be the old HSBC building. And it was converted into a private members club, but public can still access restaurants and some of the perks. So it's definitely worth a visit if you're in London. So I wanted to show you the menu and prices if you're thinking of coming here. Cocktails. I don't think that's a bad price for London for cocktails, if I'm honest. And then you've got red wine, white wine. You even have shakes. Ah, I have had one of these shakes before. The day I met you, I actually came here. The day I met you with Mairead, yeah. So the morning I met you, Mairead and I did a class, a spin class together, not far from here. And then we came here for some poached eggs. Even though you didn't realise it, this is a quite significant place for us.
So special.
Yeah, yeah. This is the food menu.
I'll let you know, but I think I have a big friend of mine.
I really like my buttermilk chicken. It was scrumptious. I love the Ned. It's really nice. So the Ned has lots of different restaurants in it, and I picked Electric Diner, which is the American diner. Really, really nice. But there's also an Italian. There's a place called Kaya, and that's Asian fusion. And then there's the traditional English traditional restaurant as well. So there's really, it's nice because depending what you're in the mood for, or also like I've had different family members visit and they would definitely have their own preferences. It didn't go as planned. If you look inside, you can see that there are seats. So I'm guessing this is for private members. Look how cool these are. And again, that's... Hey guys, so we're now in the Athenaeum Spa, which is in Mayfair, just on Green Park. And we have an hour's use of the spa facilities before our treatments. So yeah, I mean, the changing rooms are pretty small, I'm not gonna lie, but the actual facilities look really good. So I'm gonna go check them out because I think our hour has just started. So I need to arrive over here. Oh my God, look at this. And there were 2 glasses of champagne left for us. And they left Fabian for me. Are your services included in the fee? So what do we have? We have a steam room over here. We have this donkey thing, sauna.
What do you call it? Donkey thing?
Donkey thing, like
Donkey?
to dunk yourself.
Oh, it's done.
You're gonna put that all over your head.
No.
Oh, that's hot. Oh, and there's a seat right here. I need to get out of the done at the spa. Oh my god, the treatments, they were lovely. Can you tell how visibly relaxed I am? So after using the spa facilities, we both had a facial and a back, shoulder, neck and back massage, which was really needed. And we didn't actually have to have those two combinations. There were loads to choose from, including a detoxifying body wrap. But I want to show you more of the changing space and the products that they have. They have Temple Spa products, so and they have like the full like body lotion, and they have body balm, they have obviously shampoos, conditioners, but all of it, and shower is really, really good. So yeah, I'm gonna go back upstairs because we might try and get a drink before the next leg of birthday pamper extravaganza. So this is the Athenaeum Hotel. I really like the decor. It's modern, chic, and there is Green Park. My face feels very nice. How does your face feel, Fabian? Thank you to Hannah, thank you to Maria, thank you to the Athenaeum Hotel, because they have looked after us very, very well. But now, where are we going, Fanyan? Fanyan? We're going to the Minion movie. So this is the last leg of our day. We're gonna go and see the new Minion movie, because who doesn't love Minions and who doesn't want to laugh at Minions on their birthday and listen to Group? Yeah, okay, we're gonna go. We're gonna go now. Bye. Bye! Thank you for watching. Subscribe, check out my other videos. It's pretty epic, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It was amazing. Very funny.